Now that we have everything, plastic baggie, tape, and scissors, this is a great nurse workaround. We do this all the time in the hospital. If you've ever been in there and you have an IV, this is what we do to protect your IV so it doesn't get wet. And it's relatively inexpensive. So, this is what I've been doing to keep my incisions. I don't know if you can see it. This is what I've been doing to keep my incisions dry. 9 days post-op from surgery. So, what you would do, cut the bottom, because you got to be able to get your leg in there. So I got the big plastic baggie, and then you just cut the top. Boom. Now, you sit down, put it around the leg, make sure it covers everything, because we cannot get them wet. And then we have your doodaddy tape. This is a lot easier for me, so I got the thicker clear tape. And I'll start with the bottom, but you can start wherever you want, bottom or top, it doesn't matter. The thing is to make sure everything is enclosed so your incisions do not get wet. And then I do the same on the top. Make sure everything is really more important. Just make sure you got enough that it won't seep through. But voila, we're ready to take a shower.